Okay. Is everything working? Probably not. Either way, I've got coffee. We're gonna do some game dev. I guess, probably. It would suck for this not to be working. Hang on. There's gonna be terrible audio feedback loop. Oh, it is. It's good. Okay. Let me close this. Well, I've started a new project with the LWRP 3D with examples or whatever. I'm gonna delete all the examples except a few things. Gonna delete the example assets, the materials, the scripts, tutorial info, and README. So I'm going to disable this because we don't need it now. I'm going to delete this camera. So there are a few things we need. Number one is a first-person controller. Number two is a shader and a texture. So I happen to have some of these, and I'm just going to import them, but I'll show you what they are. I've got a custom first-person controller. It's not perfect, but I think it's better than the default Unity one. I'm just going to go to a recent game and copy the shader. And I'll show you what it is. I'll open it up. But first we need a shaders folder. It's just, let's see. You can look. It's not that important. This isn't a tutorial. So what this does is just, it just projects a texture from 3 angles onto an object so that we can just make a huge scaled up cube but have accurate texture, you know, whatever on it. Let's see, we need a base texture of some sort. Let's just use this wood. So I'll make a textures folder. It's going to be called wood 0. Same as the texture name. Oh, it's not actually. There we go. Gonna make a floor. Turn this stupid fog off too. And drop this in here. Fun stuff, huh? Oh hey, someone's here. What's up? I wish I had another monitor to show the chat on. I'm gonna put it over here so I can see it a little. I happen to know which properties I want on this because I've done it so many times. We don't want jumping because this is a walking sim, not a jumping sim. Physics, let's do -40 physics because the stupid Unity default physics, I know they're accurate to the real world, but they don't feel like it when you're playing a game. Gonna change this a little bit. And guess what? We have a game. Except we walk really fast. The ground texture repeats too much. Not that that matters, but you know. Movement speed 6. There we go. So we've got a good base here. So what I'm thinking for the game is some sort of Stanley Parable sort of thing, where there's a narrator and he walks you through a set of rooms, and each room exposes you to triggers of a phobia, or maybe not even phobias, but just things that sort of annoy you or make you freak out a little. The one I'm thinking of the most is like eating noises, because that happens to be a thing that annoys some people a lot, and I'm one of those people. Eating noises freak me out. I hate them. They make me so mad. So that'd be a good first room to make. And we can just sort of make more as it goes on and adjust whatever little story is there. It should be pretty good. So let's see. First things first, what do we need? Probably a door. Which is just going to be, for now, a cube. Top 10 game creators who can be affordable. Yeah. Trust me, I can beat it, even though I've never played it. So, door. Let's make this thin because it's a hallway. Give it a script. Make it a prefab, of course, because now that there are nested prefabs, there's no reason not to use them everywhere. Prefab. And we can have a bunch of doors, even though there's only going to be one room for now. And just as a test, I know this is a graphical thing, it doesn't matter, but let's do this. Turn this off. Turn off stupid auto generate. God, who wants that? How come that didn't work? Oh, we have, yeah, here. Yeah, just a graphical thing, but you know, you need some graphics to feel good about your game, don't you? Let's turn on ambient occlusion, or whatever it's called. Sweet. Okay, that's good enough. So, logic, game logic. Let's see. We need another room. We want to be able to walk up to a door, interact with it, and have another room show up. And I think I want to do scenes because you don't want to just spawn complex prefabs. So we need a system for that. Let's say, let's create a rooms manager. Or, no, let's not. Let's create another scene. Oh no. We want the doors to be able to relay a load function. Public void load room int. Let's see. Gotta set up the interaction button now. Let's see if that works. So we should be able to enter a door and get a debug. No. Oh yeah, it worked. How come it, what? Oh, because this is in fixed update. Does it work now? Probably not. That works, okay. So we got the debug for which room we loaded. Let's give these different room codes or whatever. So, to actually load the room is the problem. First of all, we need another room, so I'll go ahead and make that. Scene. Let's call it test room eating, because it's about eating noises. Let's turn all this crap off. Set active. Was cooking food, but now I'm here. Hello. I lost track of what I was doing. That's okay. We need a floor. I could just duplicate this floor, put it in here. So this is going to be the first test room. I think we're just going to put it here and then, let's see. Oh yeah, you'll see, I mean. It's pretty bad. Okay, we need a system for loading scenes, and I'm going to copy that from a different game. Don't look at all this personal stuff, please. What's it called? Let's see. Oh, I've sort of made a little bit of this game before, so we could totally copy this. Scene loader. Which goes where? Let's see what sort of functions this has. How's the chat? Oh. Let's see. How do we do this? Probably just, we probably need a room class, don't we? System. This game is the one about a test facility that tests what irks you, you know? So the first room is going to be eating noises, then probably one about clowns or something, you know? Just test different phobias or whatever. So that's what it's about. What's wrong here? False. False, not fade. Okay. Oh no. That didn't work. How come? What? No. Oh, it did. Okay, so let's test it. When we press this door, there should be a cube that shows up over there. And there it does. Sweet. So it loads the room properly. Now we need to figure out a way to get the player over there. First of all, let's create a singleton for our player. Crap. Ooh, sweet. Good. I'm really shocked that the quality's good. Because, you know. And I'm shocked that my computer's not laggy. So here's the mess of a script that I wrote for a first-person controller about a year ago. No comments. Well, there are some comments, but no separation or anything. And I need to edit it, so... oh god. So now that we have a teleport player function, we need to call that when this room starts up. So how I'm going to do that is have a manager for this scene. Put him over here. Void start. So on start, we want to just teleport the player over here. Let's see if that works. Oh wait. We have to unload it. Okay. So when I click on this door, I should teleport to the new location. Boom. It works. So. Suppose we need to fade. I mean, we're gonna fade between loads, but is that what we need first? Probably not. Yeah, let's do it. So we need a canvas. No, it's a good system. And I mean, you can make it look really beautiful, obviously, but this is not an example. Do we want to fade to black or a different color? Let's see. Yeah, it's about, yeah, just phobias, or not even necessarily phobias, but just like, you know, clowns, eating noises, falling, stuff like that. Just visual and audio triggers, I guess, for lack of a better word. Yeah, we'll see. So this needs to stretch across the whole screen and be black, I guess. No, black, and not be a target. Okay, let's open this. Yes, very experimental. I mean, the game is about experiments. Oh crap. That should work. Let's see. So instead of loading the scene, we want to start a coroutine. Start coroutine. Oh crap. I forgot what that was supposed to be. Oh no. What? Oh. Yeah, streaming, it seems pretty fun. And I don't know, there's just more pressure to work and we got people here, so it's more fun. But let's see if that worked, because probably not. What should happen is it should fade out and then teleport us, then fade back. Oh look, already an error. Oh wait, this is wrong anyway. What? Hang on. Yeah, that's wrong. Oh, jeez. Yeah, probably. I mean, if you corner a cat, you know, tries to get out with a lot more effort than, you know, insert your own analogy. I don't know. Let's see. Sweet, but it doesn't fade back out. What? Oh, you know what? Yeah. Flip those around. Oh, sweet, that looks so good. It's too dark though, the whole thing is. What? Oh, stop. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now what? Then we need some sort of exit function so that we can leave the room. So to test it, let's have the player go to the room, then after 3 seconds it takes you back. Maybe. Which means we need a leave room function. Oh crap. How come this doesn't work? What's the problem? Oh. How come that didn't work? Oh, because it's not a coroutine. Of course. What? Oh. Okay, so it should automatically leave the room after 3 seconds. So let's enter. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it just drops me in the middle of nowhere. So we have to respawn in the proper spot. What if we... I mean, it's a cheap fix, but it should work. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. And can we do it again? Yeah. So the hall never has to unload, but the rooms do. And that one doesn't work because we don't have a room for that door. Oh no. What now? We could start to work on the look a little bit. Oh no, this new blender sort of sucks. The hotkeys don't work always. Where's the button for selecting faces? Oh well. Let's do this. Okay. I really need to select faces though. How? Oh, it's up there now. How do you make a new folder? What? Oh. ASMR room. Yeah, the new Blender is so confusing. So we have a new Hall graphic. God. The rotation from Blender to Unity is always messed up. So stupid. Oh no. How do you invert normals? Invert. No. How do you do it? Oh no. Somebody tell me. Did that work? No. How do you... Oh. Control N. No. Wrong. Yeah, you'd think so, huh? But sort of the big point of the update was to fix the layout because it was so confusing for beginners. First select the mesh element in the 3D view. Where's the mesh menu though? Oh no. Okay. That worked. Good. We need textures. Interesting stream, huh? Very talkative, very, you know, anything new in the chat? Ooh, yeah. Well, the textures are. I don't think I'm going to use any models from there, though. We need a mesh on this. So, I don't know. Oh, it feels really small. Ugh. Oh, wow. That's an old game. Okay, that's working pretty well. How long have we been streaming? Does it tell? Oh yeah, 51 minutes. I mean, it's a pretty good point for a break. Yes, we got the room system working in this session. It's pretty sweet. I think that's a good point to stop. See you later. Which one do I quit first? Oh no, this one.